Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. The 2014 Harley-Davidson Triglide Ultra Classic with 12,445 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, keyless ignition, navigation, reverse, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a Harley-Davidson fuel tank cap, primary cover, secondary cover, LED headlight, LED passing lamps, Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, Reinhardt exhaust, Polk Audio 8-speaker audio kit, Waldo horn, aftermarket digital gauges, LED front turn signals, short antennas, foot controls, and an amplifier. The Triglide is a stylish factory trike that delivers electroglide comfort and power on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Triglide puts 100 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,180 pounds and has a 27.1 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.